fancy the upper length for a bed. What's that? Basically, it'll be done. Not a lot, but it'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Gonna like a glove.
with my no hand. Don't fucking fall on me again. Oh, I don't know when the camera died, so I don't know how much I've missed, but as you can see, I've now got first part of a lean-to frame going. Cut a few logs here to put at the back so I can build a small wall just to raise it up a little bit, just so as I slope it down, not going straight onto the ground. I'm going to have it running off the back, and I'll put a little channel so when it rains heavy it'll rain straight down out here and not run into my camp at all. But yeah, I was working away, so I'd check the camera and yeah, it had died. Hopefully it didn't miss too much, but I wasn't doing a lot of talking during it. I'll get the camera back up. Alright, so my stupid camera keeps playing up. Even though it's plugged in to charge, it's still cut out, so I have another camera and didn't bring it out. There's one with the charger, should have been enough, but I don't know why it cut out again. But I'm kind of happy with today's progress. Got stand back a little. Got my frame built. Got a couple of sticks just there to build a back wall. Start building the back wall. Rained pretty heavily the last couple of days, but thankfully I've kept this wood off the ground mostly, so that should all be good still. So just starting at a little bit of a pack up. The drink bottle's empty too, so that's another good reason to pack up and head in. Go and get some food. Yeah, the bad part about doing this in summer is it's kind of warm, and the only time, where's that sheath gone? The only time I really get to come out is in the hottest part of the day, so it's kind of hard to get stuff done, but just got to sack up and do it. Oh, are you kidding me? I put it. Looking for the sheath for me little hatchet. thanks again for watching Bushcraft Bozo. I've got to start to Fort Bozo. The only thing I don't really like about it is the white rope. The small gauge rope I've got is white. The other gauge I've got is a camo colour, which I was going to use for more structural sort of stuff, but that white rope will hold that together, especially once I get a little back wall built. I'm going to start laying a roof down from here to the back wall, which will be just in front of that log there. Clear out the ground a little bit, and that'll give me a lot of space. I'm actually kneeling up now, and this is at my eye level. We've still got a few inches before that pole, so might be able to bang them into the ground a little bit more. Yeah, sorry, I was trying to do a little sign off and started thinking out loud. Yeah, thanks again for watching. Fort Bozo is getting there. Enjoy your day.